In today's energy markets, I want to focus on WTI. WTI up 1% today, around the 53.62 level. We saw WTI up for the second day in a row. Some weakness earlier in the week, but now we continue to see WTI push up towards the highs of the recent range. I can tell you today we saw a range of 52.91 on the low end, 53.93 on the top end. So just in between there, but up closer to the top end of that range for the day. Looking at Baker Hughes rig count came out today. Now we saw an increase of 10 rigs coming back online for oil. We lost one nat gas. For the net was up 9. But when you look at the trend for January, it's telling a different story. We actually saw quite a drop in rig counts for the month of January, actually the largest drop in rig counts in 2.5 years. So the price of oil playing into that, factoring into that drop in rig counts. And I think you're seeing the market adjust for the fact that we did see a significant drop in the price, and so there you're seeing some of these rigs come offline if it's not economical to run them at this point. Looking at supply issues, that's the other factor here today, I think. So WTI inventories were up 8 million barrels last week, so we saw a significant build there, and I think that's part of another driving force here while we're seeing the rig counts adjusting. Also, gasoline inventories continue to build, so we're seeing a significant build in gasoline inventories, actually at record highs, coming in around 259.6 million barrels in those gasoline inventories. So once again, that's being factored in, I believe, and that's part of the reason why you're seeing some of these dynamics shifting in the oil space early in 2019. The other thing I want to point out is Venezuela. That's another supply factor. The U.S. government now ramping up the possibility of further curbs on their exportation, and that's influencing the supply storyline, and that's actually a positive for the price of oil. And I think another reason why we're seeing oil, even with some of these other issues, maintaining the elevated levels around that 53.62 level.